Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about herself. She's talking about, basically that she had cooked some chicken back, and she's talking about how she ate it and whatever. She's also talking about her man, and she's saying that, basically she's not dating a married man. And if he was married, then, she wouldn't have done that, dated him. So, she's talking about herself, she's talking about her sheets, and everything else. As you know, Marcia, she's gonna be upbeat and she's gonna talk about, a lot of stuff. And she's very calm and collective. She's, informative and, as always. And she's just doing her thing. So guys, go and catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel as usual. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, I want to wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this new year. And for all my other lovelies out there, I wish you the most wonderful day today. Please keep a smile on your face and always remember that you are the prize. Have a wonderful one now.
You see when the season up, they say what? I said, no, sir. I said this was crazy. And look on the motor chicken back with the plate, the plate. And me alone eat half a 3 pound chicken back. 4 little piece of chicken back. And me don't season it up, but no see how you cook and no me cook it and you cook it now. Eh? After you sung that chair, me cook it. And me season it up me and do what me have to do. Eh? And you cook. And me don't think she cook it. I said, no, sir. If you bust out laughing. I had to burst out laughing. Me say, I was like, this is hilarious. I'm like, this is crazy. I had to laugh. No, for real. Don't make me turn off the AC and the AC blow from me so cold. Press that green button for me, please. That shit's gotta come off. Yeah, it's a warm. And so I see some of you guys on the page. You asking about the sheets them. Ladies and gentlemen, I have sheets for everybody. My sheets them are top quality sheets. You don't need to question them if them are cotton or cotton not. They are cotton blend. They mix up with cotton blend. They're not polyester. And I'm telling you, these sheets speak for themselves. No watch the face, no watch the price. Because the price them will go up. Trust me, they won't be like that forever. As soon as the summer accumulated and come, them will go up higher. Right now, I'm selling them for certain prices. Because you don't want to, it's not good for a business person to sit down for merchandise. And we know that when it comes to Caribbean people and Africans and whatever, them love cheap things. It's only majority of people, because you guys have to understand, I have to sell those sheets. Me have to buy a box, me have to buy tape, me have to put gas in my vehicle, me have to do all of that and take it to post office. Me have to drive 200 and almost 60 miles. Over $80 or more in gas. Over $100 in gas and toll. And when I come out here and whatever it is, because I'm saying, so the sheets them, don't hesitate to buy the sheets them. The sheets them are better than the sheets them that you go to department stores and spend $50 and $60 on. I am telling you right now, these sheets are compared to 100% cotton sheets. That's what I'm telling you. Them even feel better. You know, like when you watch cotton sheets, some of them wrinkle up on them, whatever, and them feel tough in a one way. Not these sheets. These sheets are so comfortable on your skin. It come like, say, the way you lay on them, they're so comfortable. Them feel so nice and cool. It no matter what temperature the bed is, them don't move. And they come with 4 pillowcase, and they're deep pockets. So you cannot beat that. I have been selling these sheets going on 4 years. And since the day I saw these sheets, I have not go back into a store and pick up no sheets. If I pick up any sheets from any store, it must a department store. I must see when it is on sale, for special occasion, and I will go in there and I buy it. And if I put it on for my bed, it doesn't feel as these ones. Not only that, these are oh, what that? Something drop on me, like a one stone. These are colorful, vibrant sheets. It's spring is coming. It make your bed look really pretty. Don't even talk about the people who live in a summer states. You understand? And don't worry about the color matching up with the quilts. Remember that the sheet I go under. It I go under to lie down on the quilt. The quilt is going on top to cover the sheets. So as long as you have the sheet and it come with 4 pillowcase, 2 plain and 2 solid, and the quilt come with 2 sham, 2 big pillowcase. So once you make up your bed and you have 4 pillows on your bed or 6 pillows, like me now, my bed always have like 14 pillows. It have like 6 regular pillow and whole heap of decoration. I saw me just obsessed with pillow. I have a lot of pillows. I obsessed with pillow. So when you put the 2 quilts up one in front of it, it's gonna look nice. So don't hesitate. So right now I have 2 different qualities. We have the smaller versions, like the thinner version, and we have a thicker version. And I'm selling the small version for $30. And the bigger one, you can get it for $40 right now until supplies last. I'm just waiting for the summer. I'm just waiting for the time to clear up. So right now, the one that I was selling for $35, you can get it for $30. And the other one, I have like around 3 or 4. I think I was showing them in a video and we delete the video. You can get those. So don't hesitate to buy the sheet, them nice. I see one guy buy some today and at the complex, and it was like, me I tell him about him, and it was like, oh, I don't know any of the sheet them. When he come, it was, when he saw them, yeah, so me, I want me to say, I don't remember what I say. Me just remember what I say. I went about the sheet. I want me to say, what last thing I say. But nevertheless, me know what I say. But the sheets them are good. So it doesn't matter. Also, me have them on sale, for the $5 off or $10 off or whatever it is until the sun come up, till them supplies it. And yes, so in buy some say the guy was saying, I hope a good sheet them, you know, because me love nice things. When me up my truck back, him nearly piss up himself. He was like, oh my gosh, what a pretty sheet. He calling girlfriend same time and showing girlfriend them. The girlfriend buy quilt and sheets. He couldn't even get one garbage bag and put them in here. Me couldn't even carry them the way them heavy. Them in my vehicle right now because I work in there. In my vehicle right now, I drop it off when we go back to Hartford tomorrow or something. See them there? He couldn't even carry them because I'm automatic. He couldn't even carry them. To show you how heavy they are. Don't even talk about the king. How heavy they are. Yeah. So may I tell you, so they are good quality. There is no way when you get these vibrant, beautiful colors. These patterns are so beautiful. You're not going to no store go see them. No store whatsoever. One must learn to support. You understand? This is the business that I do. That's what I do. You must look at certain characteristic. And you must come and buy from it. Support black business. I know that the shipping is expensive in some areas. But one cocoa full basket. When I come out and me, I motivate and I inspire and I give you all kind of joke and set up late at night time I watch and see the people them can't give them something there. Some of them even scan on the money. They don't even want to stretch out a little bit and scan it. And not, even the pastor was preaching Sunday at church. The pastor said we have to be careful when we buy on internet. Him saying go on the internet and he buy one shirt and it happened to many of us. Because me buy one extra large dress. And when the dress come from Amazon, the dress not even one leg put a hole in a frock. You understand? Me not even send it back. I think me didn't send it. I think me didn't care go Jamaica give it to somebody. So we have to be careful what we get. You understand? When me buy something, at least you know see it in purpose. Because when they buy sheet over Amazon and when the sheet them come and look at something, just like what they have in a department store, them not have nothing compared to them. Yeah? They don't. I'm telling you. They're light, them small, them not have nothing at all compared to them. The thickness of it. I'm telling you, it's truth. One must support. You can't want to come out here every day, cuss up and go on and give sex joke and that you don't want to hear. Share my personal life. A lot of them out there now share them personal life. All they want to do is to pass the Marcia business. Me not have a thing for you coming down there with no married man. Because if he been married, I want to talk to him. You understand? That's I want to be no one, no crosses, trials and tribulation. And if me ever find out say married, I done him done. In my number, if him number with a block and delete. That's one thing. So when they out there talk about me and there with married man, tell him your wife to come pick him up. Make your wife to come pick you up. Where your wife to come pick you up? Huh? If you ask them, I them say married. So me I say where your wife to make your wife come get you. Yeah. Huh? In that prison. They say that prison, yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Bitch come out here and me share all kind of something. Me not have nothing to hide. I don't have a rasa hide. What me have a hide? I don't have nothing to hide. And even if I was talking to a married man, let me be the first man talk to a married man. How much are we out there talk to a married man? How much are we out there talk to people man who have a woman already? Then I wish man have 2 women and 3 women. The one of them is a lie. You know how much man out there? Some of them you talk to them and by the time you talk to them and you start give them 2, like you give them 2 lyrics. And you say something they don't call them back. And you call them know what time it is. I meet a lot of people. You know. And from me give them 2, I say, wow, pussy I look or what? What you looking? From me say, for that you think you're looking about call me. The bother with it. You see the number, the gun down. After I be me like, you know, whatever. You seem like a nice woman and all that or something there. From me give them 2 chat, then nobody come back. From me give them 2 chat, they don't call me back. Because you know what them looking. Yes, you know exactly what they're looking. You know why I stick to my friend here? And me no talk to other people. Because, you know why? Because anytime you call him to help me do something or do something for me, he's always willing to do so. Him not tell me, say, Marcia, he say if him can't do it, he must say, no, me can't do it today. Tomorrow, me will do it. You see, 7 days a week, he might check up on me. Morning, noon, and night. Some of them we are looking at it, they only call you once, they just want to call you at night time. Like say you're a night nurse. You understand? They only want to call you. So you are sometimes the pastor was preaching in a church that some man walk around and pick up see woman, certain type of woman. Then we get 20% from one woman and get 80. So suppose for instance them are the ugly one them. Then pass the ugly one when they could have get 80%. Then gone to one pretty one in a one way for 20%. And in my try to tell them said, don't look for certain looks and things and whatever. Me not call myself ugly, so I make a scenario because I'm a gorgeous girl. I'm just saying, but me just show you how some man stay. They are looking for straight nose, brown skin, big cock off body, belly and all them. So me's a confident girl, cause me no short a man. So I don't have to worry. But if I like him, I like you. You understand? Me not have to be in love with you. You understand? So it's like the man them will pass certain woman with a woman that treat them good. And them gone over to one girl when not even want them. To tell you the truth. Because some of them girls don't want the man them. Them only want the man them for what them have. Them see one man coming in one big car with them lease. Because most of them car with the man them a drive them big car. They lease them for 3 years. At least them lease them for 3 years. Me not ask you. They have to return that. And them pay feet. So they make some of them man they come fool you with them big Mercedes Benz and them X6. At least them lease that. At least them lease it and have to return that in a 3 years time. And whatever time then in whatever. Lease it and pay in it and live in big life. And or them have to go pay it out and pay the money. So they make them fool, you know. They make some of them fool. Some of them can't afford it. Them go beyond them budget. You stick to what you can afford. So I am saying I come out now and me share my personal life with a journey. Come down here. What the hell me have here? Now them take liberty. Oh, they are there with married man. Make man homeless. But I mean, oh, disrespect. You know, totally disrespect. I mean, look on a woman like me. Look on my hot man them. When me married to in the past. Look at my bumbleclad husband them that I'm married to. Look how them good looking. Eh? My first husband looking like a Syrian. My second husband was an Indian guy.
In 2 miles, take.
I mean, look at that. Eh? Look at that. And the liberty where them take. Eh? My friend are the darkest man ever chat to in my life. I'm telling you, I have never be with the only dark man never been in my life, baby father. Every one of them we be with is always red-skinned man or them sort of something there or whatever. It's the truth. Hot boy, good looking and everything. Come in the chat. I mean, some of them know who them I talk to. Eh? I don't know who they think they're talking to. Not me. And them take all kind of liberty taking and go on. Me know what them take liberty with. And them come on social media and talk about people that take married man. I not for them husband. Eh? What am I worried about? It's not your husband. Say if I not for your husband, what are you worried about? That's what I'm saying. If it's not your husband, you can't go pay a blogging people talk about the bad take your husband. Eh? You can't, if you can't come join it too. You want him to join it? Huh? You don't want him? No? Okay, I'm saying I don't want to know. I don't blame me because they don't look good. They don't look good. All when they have them big body, they're not attractive. I don't say none of them attractive about the way they chat me. They're not ready. Some of them lip up like a cow pussy. Some of them lip look like a barracuda fish. None of them look good. Their skin droopy, floppy. No, them not ready. No, sir. Some of them under them crotch black and pussy look like a bullfrog. Them not ask and not and good. And them tell people they married man. Them not even get married dog, much less. So they know how them come at our house when they with married man. I was like, really? But I saw them. I don't think you'll touch on them with a 10-foot pole. None of them make you allow me see. I go and run them out. When it comes to me, there's a certain type of class and sophistication about me. Then the girl then I have nothing about them. We are chat people. Please. They can't even ask chat. Some of them come like a chat and come like say they have two tongues in them blood clot mouth. I don't even know why they ask them not got on lesbian. Because them not ready. No time at all. They're not ready. They're not ready no time at all. And them are the one who is always a chat people. Chatting people and talking about people and talking about people don't make no damn sense.